Hanap ka ba ng property na malapit sa Tagaytay na pwede mong gawing residential at vacation house? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Located ito sa Barangay Panungyanan, General Trias, Cavite at approximately 25 to 30 minutes drive going to SM Trece at SM Dasma. 20 minutes drive lang ito going to Tagaytay at 1 and 45 minutes going to SM Owa and Dalabang. Townhouse expanded at single attached ang meron tayo dito. For as low as 11,000 para kay Jasmine Townhouse Inner Expanded. 15,850 monthly DP para kay Linnea single attached na may minimum lot size na 120 square meters. Basic finish ang ating actual deliverable. Ang advantage nito ay may customize mo ang interior design ng property mo. Super spacious nga ng ating living, dining at kitchen area. Meron pa tayong space dito sa back na pwede mong gawing laundry area, dirty kitchen, another room at marami pang iba dahil sa laki ng ating lote. Pre-selling stage at nasa introductory price pa lang tayo kaya very affordable ito. In terms of amenities, meron tayong entrance gate, gazebo with footbridge, basketball court, parks and playground. At talaga namang napaka-presko dito guys dahil maliban sa malapit tayo sa Tagaytay ay nature friendly pa ang ating community. Meron tayong 2 toilet and bath dito kay Linnea single attached at provision ito for 3 bedrooms. Isa nga sa gusto ko dito ay malalaki ang sliding window natin for proper ventilation at pasok na pasok ang ating natural light. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. Bye-bye!